Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
I think so. The 4 or 5 days of strong ground protests and online protests they चालू असले ते CMN directly decision घेतला की exam postpone करपाक yesterday. So all the hard work of the students in the matter of the COVID situation, congratulations म्हणपाक जाय सगळ्यांक तुमकां. There was a press note today by the NSUI students claiming that की आम आदमीन काय करूंक ना आणि बेस्टे we are taking credit for the whole thing. की राहुल मांब्रेन पासून पेरने he didn't come to the police station आणि he didn't release the students. आता if you go on the Goa app page थिंगा पोवपाक जाता की सगळे प्रूफ हा videos are there की राहुल मांब्रे आमी सगळे जाण कितें कितें केला. We met up with everyone and we stood by them from the 18th that we took a decision to stand by the students. आमी सोडूंक ना students till yesterday and we were constantly on Twitter storm. We were doing everything possible.
आमकां पॉलिटिसायज करपाचो ना इशू. जर NSU करपाक सोदता पॉलिटिसायज then they are free to go ahead with this.